Welcome to Medas Tech.
Now let's see what is more and less. Now here, if you see, there are some chocolates. You are going to count them one by one. So let's count the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 chocolates are there, and here 1, 2. So here this is more because more quantity is there, and this is less because less quantity is there. Now let's see one more example. Now here we have some cupcakes. Let's count them one by one. So let's count the first one. The first one is 1, 2, 3. And the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we see here, the first quantity is less and the second one is more. With this, children, with the quantity we come to know what is more and what is less. Now let's see one more example. Here some ice creams are there. So the first one is more. So this is more, and the second one is less. See the quantity. The first one is more and the second one is less. Now let's see some other examples. Here balloons are there. So if you see the first circle, the quantity is less. So this is less. And if you see the second one, the quantity is more. So this is more. Now let's see the third one. Here some teddies are there. So if you see the first circle, the quantity is more. So this is more. And the second circle, the quantity is less. Less teddies are there. So it is less. So like this, children, we come to know what is more and what is less with the quantity. Like if the objects are more, so we say it is more. But if it is less, so we say it the objects are less. Okay? Hope you understood the concept of more and less.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.